Friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can off notification sound, or you can some message sound on your owner mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then after that from here scroll down and here you can see this option of the sound and vibration. If you want to turn off your notification sound, then before you off your notification sound, friends, you have to move on sound and vibration. When you move on sound and vibration, scroll on the down and here you can see this option of the notification tone. So just tap on notification tone. After that from here you can see there's many notifications tone. Okay, but how you can off it, right? So here's no options to off. So friends, if you want to off, then you have to scroll on the down. When you scroll down on the last option, you can see none option. You just select and your notification sound will be off or stop successfully. You can stop your notification sound easily, and if you want to set, then you can select from here in notification sounds. And friends, do you know that even you can set from your music also, from your device. Okay, download ringtone or from your music sounds. Okay, you can set from here. If you want to select for notification sounds, you can select from there also. Okay, so hope you understand how you can turn off. You just scroll down and here's the off button. And friends, do you know that it's given differently for the sim 1 and sim 2. Here's the for the sim 1 and this is for the sim 2. Okay, so it's very easy. This is sim 1 and here's the sim 2. Okay, so friends, hope you understand how you can turn off your notification sound on your owner mobile phone. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.